The first thing was business structure. I agreed to change that to an S-Corp this time. We went through expenses. That was part of it. In terms of charities, that solar power presentation that was given by your third party associate about a month ago, very informative, and I understand it through my expertise. Um, Not to his level, but I get it. So that definitely appealed to me. Definitely, I really honed in on charitable land donations and the historical preservation easements. As pretty material for me, especially given ROI and the upfront cost. And we did cover some, like there was a 40% bonus depreciation for some short-term rentals. And he even gave me some good ideas about like if I have a renovation and I call Habitat, they'll do some of the demo for me because they want to take the sink or the cabinets or
That's
whatever.
so
I mean, just got me thinking. And that's I've never been excited about working with a CPA. I mean, this should be a quote, but I love these discussions. I love how they're a creative approach for me and a logistical approach as well. But with your expertise and understanding my business, I think that not only are you going to help me, but you're going to help me learn too. So I'm excited about it. I'm glad we're here.